Experience a cleaner and more powerful workflow with the BHHB USB-C hub adapter designed for MacBook Pro and MacBook Air users who need instant expansion without clutter. This docking-style hub transforms a single USB-C port into a versatile workstation, making it easier to connect external drives, monitors, memory cards, and everyday peripherals without constantly swapping cables. It is especially useful for students, professionals, and creators who rely on multiple accessories at the same time. The build focuses on portability while maintaining a solid feel that sits neatly beside your laptop. Once connected, it becomes an extension of your device, reducing desk mess and improving productivity. Whether you are working on documents, editing media, or transferring large files, the hub helps streamline your setup so everything stays within reach and ready to use. One of the most noticeable advantages is the convenience of having multiple expansion options in a single compact device. You can plug in USB accessories, connect external storage, and potentially use display output depending on your setup, all through one adapter. This makes it ideal for hybrid work environments where you move between home, office, or classroom setups. Heat management and stable performance are important in any hub, and this adapter is designed to maintain consistent connectivity during long working sessions. It supports a smooth data flow experience, so file transfers and device connections remain reliable. For MacBook users who prioritize minimal design and maximum efficiency, this hub blends perfectly into the Apple ecosystem aesthetic. Travel-friendly design also makes it a great companion for people on the go. Instead of carrying multiple adapters, this single hub reduces your load and ensures you are prepared for different connection needs. From presentations to quick edits, it helps you stay productive without limitations. Overall, the BHHB USB-C hub adapter is a practical expansion solution that enhances the usability of MacBook Pro and Air models by adding essential ports in a compact, efficient form factor that supports modern workflows.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.